So this speaks to the value of what we do being a network operations center. What you're looking at is a screen here that is mission critical for this location because it shows the where each of the hockey teams have to go each hour to their rooms, right? So the home room has to go to room 8, the away room has to go to room 10. So they need this updated about every hour, right? Every single day. So they're using SAM nonstop. And what happened, the screen was scrolled in, so it didn't look quite right. So we had to make white space on the left and on the right. So now that we're looking at the timestamp for the live screenshots for today, I'm going to hit F5 on the keyboard, and let's take a look at it here. Last shot was 11:23. Is today the 23rd? Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay. So I didn't see it snap back in here, so what we're going to do is we're going to restart the browser, and that should kick it in, okay?
Yep.
But that's it. We've fixed this remotely with no intervention required from the location. And that matters when you're running thousands of arenas, right? Oh, there, it just kicked in. Ha, proved me wrong. So there we go. Now we got the layout that snapped a grid to the edge with the advertising section now available again. So we report back to client that everything is as it should be now that they've played with remote control and gotten that zoom in scroll on the TV. Okay, congratulations, guys! Another client issue resolved with our help with the Network Operations Center. Well done.